How to see your catalogs on Alibaba.com app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your catalogs on Alibaba easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Alibaba right here. Now go down here to my Alibaba and you will find this page right here. Now go down and search for my catalogs, as you can see right here, and here is it. Click on it right here and it will take you to this page. I still have no content here right now, but here where I can find my catalogs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.